How to use binoculars. Before you use binoculars, you need to adjust them for your particular eye strength. You will need binoculars, a diopter setting, a lens cover, and a distant object. Optional, eye cups. Step 1. Hold the binoculars in the normal viewing position. Move the two barrels closer together or further apart until a single circular field comes into view. Roll the eye cups back if you wear glasses. Step 2. Set the diopter setting to 0 while viewing a distant object. Keep both eyes open. Step 3. Cover the objective lens on the same side of the binocular setting as the diopter setting. The diopter setting is usually on the right side. Step 4. Focus on a distant object by adjusting the center focus wheel until the object appears as sharp as possible. Step 5. Uncover the objective lens on the diopter side and cover the other objective lens. Observe the same object. Step 6. Bring the object into focus by adjusting the diopter setting. Step 7. Uncover the second objective lens. The binoculars are now adjusted for your eyes and you can focus for any distance by simply adjusting the center focus wheel. Did you know? The first binoculars appeared shortly after the invention of the telescope and were made by fastening the long tubes of two telescopes together.